The balance of the sewing machine is right over here on the right side. It's not something you need all the time, but when you have stitches that are not forming as pretty as it can be, or you're working on some stretchy fabric like fleece or something bumpy like corduroy, we're going to reach over here and twist this dial. Now, usually I don't try to remember which way to twist it. I'm going to go ahead and sew. When it doesn't look good, I'm going to turn it one way and then see if it makes it better or worse. And if it makes it worse, we're going the other way. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take stitch number 17 to give you an idea how this is going to work. First, I'm going to stitch it normal, and then I'll start to twist it around. All right, so here we go. Stitch number 17. So stitch number 17 is kind of called a honeycomb stitch. Some people use this for a nice little hem, but you're noticing that the stitch is a forward and reverse stitch. That's really when balance is most used. Anytime that as the fabric feeds forward and then it feeds back, it doesn't meet all the way together, that's when you might need to use this. A lot of your decorative stitches too could be used. Okay, so this is how it's going to look when it's normal. So you see how the little, everybody meets up. So let me go ahead. I'm going to just twist this all the way one direction here. Now it's going to be twisted in the up position. And on normal fabric, this is going to take it and spread it apart. See how there's a little bit more gap to the stitch? And now if I turn it all the way to the other direction, just remember when you're done, put it back to normal, because probably for most fabrics, your machines are going to be just fine. This is going to look like it's almost kind of overlapping itself, like it's being pushed together. Which also means that you have different looks for similar stitches. So you can see how that has actually made it closer together. So again, just based on your fabric and the look of your stitch, you can adjust it if you have any fabrics that are a little bit hard to work with when you sew. Balance right here on the right side of your machine.